Today we are going to solve a question of GATE Chemistry 2019. The question given to us says that what are the products formed in this following reaction. Now, if you want to know how this reaction is taking place, let us first write it down. And this becomes my reactant, and when there is heat applied to it, then what would be the product? We can visualize that there would be a delocalization of the pi electrons on the addition of heat on the structure. So if there is a delocalization of the pi electrons, it would happen in a manner such as this. Now, what would this give us? This would get a final form. This would get a final form which would look something of the fashion having a trans side and a cis. So this is a trans cis product. So this, according to the question, we can see that number 3 has a trans and a cis side. So this would be the answer to the question, and the correct option is option C. Now, if you have any queries regarding this question, please contact us on www.Sourav Sir Classes.com. Thank you.